Oh, beautifully bowled. Soib akhtar on takeoff. Once again, he's knocked the stump right out of the ground.
Walker blasts the middle stump out of the ground. Secondly, there to see again, very quick. Yorker in swinging. I'm sure you need to do.
Gilchrist on 81. Soib still around the wicket. Field well spread. 2 men in the deep on the onside. Deep fine leg and a deep square leg. Got him. That's the length he was looking for. It has been a profit for Gilchrist this time. It's full. He's clean bowled on debut for 81. Excellent piece of bowling. And Gilchrist in the past has had trouble with that one coming back in. That was just done by
slight angle, you accentuate the in-swing. Bowled him out. This is the man who can do it for Pakistan. There's absolutely no doubt about it. We've spoken about it, and he's come up with the goods.
The Pakistanis, they are back into this game. And that was the reason why Soib akhtar was brought back into the attack by the Pakistani captain Yusuf Johana. Although the ball was changed, but still there is a reverse swing for Soib akhtar, pitching the ball in the right area. And like you said, you've got to keep your bat vertical. He shut the face of the bat at the last moment, and the in-swing was accentuated, and Soib akhtar once again has obliged his team. Mark Bacher, he's a dangerous man, but he's been sent back to the pavilion by Soib akhtar. South Africa, 206 for 5.
Oh yes, he's bowled. Soib akhtar saw it, not too many others did. It's another Yorker that's found the mark. And it's another double wicket maiden. This is great stuff. Just what we wanted after lunch. Some excitement in the game, and there's plenty of it.
Oh, this is absolutely wonderful from Soib akhtar. He's been on target, on mark, and he's bowled his heart out in this spell. This was just simply too good for Mohammad Rafiq. Missed the line, just clipped the off stump. The off bail was down, and he realized it very quickly. Soib akhtar, he was in his favourite motion. Sixth time he's picked up a 5-wicket haul. Mohammad Rafiq becoming his 5th victim. Gone for. Oh, clean him up. What a delivery. Fast and furious, on target.
That was quick and straight. Look at that. 2 stumps out of the park. Ashley Giles goes for 14.
Soib akhtar now to Neil McKenzie first up. Oh, it's a great delivery. Big shout. Is that out? Yes, it is. Soib akhtar has picked up a wicket here. Neil McKenzie has gone first ball, and Pakistan are back in this test match.
And leg stump. But have a look. He shuffled across too much and was looking to cover the line, but the ball dipped at the last moment, and he's been trapped. Leg before wicket. And a good decision from the umpire, Darrell Hare. And Soib akhtar is jubilant, but not this.
A leg by given by the umpire. Bowling. Soib akhtar is on fire. What a ball. What a quick ball. Adam Gilchrist, beaten for pace, had no answer to that Yorker. It was quick, it was there. Adam Gilchrist just didn't see it.
Well, that's right, just too quick, too good. Right in on leg stump, couldn't have been any better. Perfect Yorker, this one. Watch, it goes wide of the crease. Zing, in she goes. Well, it's almost hit the stump on the full. Well, that was a quick delivery too. There have been in the 90-mile-an-hour zone, and that one, look at him soaring around like an eagle. Well, an eagle that's picking on the prey here. They're in big trouble. 85 for 6. And that man there, well, he's taken 4 of them in the space of a couple of overs.
Superb delivery by Soib akhtar. Rahul Dravid played all over it. Just what the Pakistanis needed. The rock for India. Rahul Dravid returns back to the pavilion after doing not very much. 24 for Rahul Dravid. Tony, fabulous delivery again.
Well, there's nothing that beats a straight Yorker, especially just after the break. Nothing worse. The batsman's been out there. He's just got himself cooled down. He gets up there and the bowler comes in and bowls the most magnificent Yorker. Not only was it a good Yorker, the ball also swung in. So it seems to me that a little bit of reverse swing has started to happen here for the Pakistanis, and this could be a very significant factor. And of course, now that the man himself
facing that thunderbolt from Soib akhtar. Oh, it's got it! Beautiful bowling. That is brilliant stuff from Soib akhtar. He's been trying to do that all over. Magnificent stuff from Soib. So that is a huge wicket for Pakistan. Jacques Kallis is on his way back to the hut. Outstanding stuff from the speedster.
Beaten by the pace and also the movement, Jacques Kallis, who was playing so well. And that was the reason why Soib akhtar was brought back into the attack by the Pakistani captain, Yusuf Yohana. Ideal delivery. Great side for the fast bowler, knocking the middle stump right out of the ground. And it's going to be a long walk back to the pavilion. And Soib akhtar is jubilant. Straight away, going and embracing the captain. It was a good innings from Jacques Kallis, and that was of 62. And South Africa, 146 for 3.
Anticipation. Sachin Tendulkar faces his first delivery from Soib akhtar. He's bowling from the other end, of course. He had a lot of problem bowling from the commentator box end, the south end as such. But here he is now, to the maestro himself. Oh, fantastic delivery, both. That's amazing. Virtually the same delivery. A little straight at Sydney. Fireworks here for Soib akhtar. He is delighted.
That is a very, very special moment in Test cricket. They've been waiting to see him all day, and this young man has produced the perfect delivery. The